With so many factors to consider, choosing between them can feel overwhelming. It's not just a purchase, it's a commitment to a new way of driving. Maybe you're a road trip enthusiast who values the convenience of fast refueling and the ability to drive long distances without planning every stop. Or perhaps you're a daily commuter who loves the idea of waking up to a fully charged car, ready to go, and never having to visit a gas station again. In this video, we'll break down the technology, the real-world costs, the driving experience, and the practical realities of both options. We'll look at maintenance, charging infrastructure, fuel costs, and even the environmental impact. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which path fits your lifestyle, your budget, and your values best. The future of driving is unfolding right before our eyes, and the decision you make today could shape your journey for years to come. So let's dive in, explore the possibilities, and discover what each side of this new fork in the road has to offer. Your next car isn't just a vehicle, it could change everything about how you drive, travel, and experience the world around you. Electric cars aren't perfect. Range anxiety is real. Most commutes are easily covered, but the fear of running out of charge lingers. Charging infrastructure is growing, but it's not as widespread or fast as gas stations yet. Public chargers can be busy or slow, and charging still takes longer than filling a tank. Apartment dwellers face extra challenges without home charging. Batteries degrade over time, though warranties help ease concerns. Mining for battery materials raises environmental and ethical questions. The good news? Ranges are increasing, charging networks are expanding, and battery tech is improving fast. Every year, EVs get better and more practical. The hurdles are real, but progress is rapid. The best car is the one that fits your life. If you're a city commuter with home charging, an EV could be perfect, quiet, cheap to run, and easy to charge overnight. For long-distance drivers or those without charging access, gas cars still make sense. Need a heavy-duty truck or maximum flexibility? Gas is still king. Test drive both. Feel the difference for yourself. Pay attention to what excites you, the silence of an EV or the growl of a gas engine. Your choice should put a smile on your face every time you drive.